Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing is an Eid makeup tutorial. My last one did well, so I'm going to keep doing it, do you know what I mean? And you guys actually like the way I do my makeup, so it's a win-win for you guys and for me, you know. So yeah, enough of me waffling, let me get straight into the video. My base, chef's kiss. Guys, I'm glowing. I don't even have highlighter on. Are you stupid? Are you dumb? I am the queen of base makeup. I can't lie to you. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Can't lie, what you guys have come for, you just successfully got it. So make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like, leave a cheeky comment as well. I honestly don't know when this video is gonna come out, because guys, I literally finished recording this 4 o'clock, and it's now like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and your girl's struggling to get her SD card to work. Like, it's not working for me. So if you guys ever see this video, I'm just saying you might be lucky because I figured that out. If it never makes it to YouTube, yeah, this girl is not, she cannot hack tech, man. She really can. So yeah, that's the story about Marie.